Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing video. It's a bi-monthly subscription box and it is the Natural Wellness box. This is what it looks like. So if you're new to this box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what contents I received, I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So the Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly subscription box featuring themed collections of wellness, health and beauty products. Their aim is to make you feel healthy and beautiful from the inside out. These boxes feature clean beauty and skincare, high-end superfoods and supplements, and also healthy snacks with drinks and teas and things like that as well. This month's box theme is glow, so it's glow from within. In every box you will receive between 5 to 7 products and all items are cruelty-free and vegan as well. So for a bi-monthly subscription it'll cost you £35 a month. Now there's free shipping within the UK and the rest of Europe is £9.95. You can also opt for a one-off box to try and that will cost you £37. They also offer 6 and 12 month subscriptions as well. If you want to see past boxes, they do have pictures online, so you're welcome to do that. All links related to this box and any discount codes I can find online I will list down below in my description, so click on the show more underneath this video and that will bring up a description, and everything related to this box was down there. I was kindly gifted this box in exchange for doing an unboxing video on my channel to show you. I have received this once before and it was the sleep edition and I thought it was a really good box. Now it is going to be a niche type of box. It's not going to suit everyone. It is £35, so on the pricier side of boxes, but it is every other month. It's not monthly. But if you're into a holistic view of beauty and skincare and health, then I do think that this box may take your fancy. So it's definitely worth checking out. Let's open it up and show you what I got inside. I can see lots of snacks in there. I have had a quick look through, but I haven't actually picked any items up and had a good read. I just had a bit of a sneak just now. So inside you get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the products inside this box, and it gives you the cost as well, which I do like, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. So the first item I got is a face scrub, and this is made with purposed coffee grounds and it's a floral blend and it's 100 mils, and I don't know, I think it says Up Circle. I think that's the brand there, Up Circle, and that's what the outer packaging looks like. So it's a face scrub and it says formulated for sensitive skins with chamomile, rosehip, geranium and I can't say it, and patchouli essential oils, and that's what it looks like there. So a nice big sort of tube. I just want to try it. I know it's a scrub, but I just want to see what it's like. I can't pierce the top to open it. And whoa, right, it's quite watery. Can you see that? It's coffee. I think what I need to do is to, it's dripping. I need to pierce it better. I think I've pierced a tiny little hole, so I'm not going to do that now. So it says Up Circle Organic Coffee Face Scrub, and the recommended retail price for this is £12.99. An amazing natural facial exfoliator for sensitive skin which gently buffs away dead skin to leave you soft and smooth, with chamomile and shea butter to nourish and moisturise post scrub. Created with repurposed coffee grounds from London cafes. I love the idea of that. So although a bit messy for me at the moment, I'm hoping once I've made that little entrance hole there, once I've made that little hole there, once I've made that hole a little bit wider, it'll be I'll be able to get it out a bit better. But yeah, I'm just covered now, my legs and my hands, so I'll put this back. The next item, we've got a jar of Isla Apothecary Refine and Radiate Beautifying Face Mask, and this is 120 grams. Hopefully you can see there, the reflection of the ring light can be a bit of a pain sometimes. There, you can see there. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. As a face mask, I just assume it's like a paste or something, isn't it? But no, it's powder. So can you see there? It's just like a little, it's just powder. Isla Apothecary Refine and Radiate Face Mask. The recommended retail price for this is £22. Find your desired consistency by mixing with either purified floral or hydrosol water. Try blending 1 teaspoon to a smooth paste using one of the above. After applying evenly to face and neck, avoiding the eye area, relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Using warm water, finish with a gentle exfoliation by massaging in a circular motion to completely remove the mask. I have never tried anything like that before, but it sounds so lovely. So I'll be giving that a go for sure. Next we got a pack of, what is this? Native popped lotus seeds, pink salt and black pepper. Oh wow, plant-based pioneers. That's what it looks like there. Can you see? That's what they look like. So it's popped lotus seeds. Never ever try this. It is a bit of a mix of popcorn and like a puff type of crisp, like a what's it type, but not obviously the cheesy taste, but that sort of texture. That was quite nice. I didn't know what to expect there. So native snacks, popped lotus seeds, roasted with pink salt and black pepper, and it'll cost you £19.77 for 24 packs of these. So you obviously buy them in a large pack, and they're vegan, gluten-free, and a high source of natural fibre. The lotus seeds are sustainably farmed and harvested in beautiful Bihar, India, and all flavoured naturally. Apologies if I said that wrong there, my pronunciation. But no, they're quite nice. I'm going to eat those afterwards now. Hiding down the corner, it's a face serum. And it goes with this. So it's exactly the same. It's with coffee oil, hydrate and firm. So I forgot to show that. I didn't notice. So that goes with the face scrub. And this is Aqua Libra infused sparkling water with cucumber, lime and mint. Oh my gosh. I love all three of those. The most refreshing type of drink you can get are those. And I absolutely love mojito cocktails, which is basically that, but with a little bit of alcohol and lots of ice and stuff. Clean, crisp and unsweetened. And I'm going to have a try of this. Oh, it smells so nice. No. I was expecting it to be more full-on flavour. It's not, it's very subtle. So really nice and easy to drink. It's like fizzy sparkling water, but with a tiny hint of these flavours. It was really nice and refreshing. It'd be gorgeous now if this was freezing cold and had some ice in it. Oh no, it is really nice. So that's what it looks like this. What's it say about it? So this will cost you £1, and it says under 3 calories per can, containing delicious natural fruity flavours that come from essential oils, aromas of fruit extracts, gluten-free, caffeine-free and sodium-free, free from sugar, sweeteners or anything artificial. So completely natural. So now I'm going to enjoy drinking that afterwards as well. So there's that. So next we've got a Mindful Bites Snack with Intention. Crunchy bites filled with nut butter, vegan and gluten-free, no refined sugar, no palm oil, natural source of plant-based protein, high in fibre and 25 grams. And it's cashew and baobab. I'll just show you. There, baobab. I'm not too sure. So that's what it looks like there. It looks like it's in 2 halves. It smells like pork scratchings. That is so weird. Yeah. How strange. I'm a little bit nervous. I'll tell you why in a minute. It's got a real subtle sort of peanut butter filling. That is nice. Again, not too strongly flavoured either. And I love this crunchy outer corner, outer layer I should say. And the reason I was nervous about trying it is because I was trying to snack from one of the snack boxes I receive and it looked like that and it tastes absolutely disgusting. So I was a bit nervous. I knew it's a different brand and everything, but it just reminded me of that. It just reminded me of that. So, but no, pleasantly surprised. So what's it say? This will cost you £1.79. Crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside and filled with superfoods and antioxidants. The natural sweetness of the cashew nuts balanced with the tang of baobab and subtle caramel tones from the lucuma and yucca, and it's gluten-free and vegan. So there's that. We've got 2 items left and we've got something in a bag. It's a roller. Can you see? It's a roller, like a little marble roller. It's got a little one there and then you turn it around. I've always wanted one of these. Oh, it feels nice and cold. Always wanted one to give yourself like a face massage. Never had one, never tried one. And this is for your eyes. Oh, it'd be nice actually to do as part of like your skincare, like having a pamper evening with some masks on your face and stuff. Oh, that feels so nice. What's it say? This is a jade crystal facial roller. This will cost you £20 and it says glide your roller from the centre of your face out to the side and down the neck. Work all the way up the neck and face and then back down and return to areas where there is any superficial facial tension such as the jaw. Use a smaller end for delicate eye areas. Using can improve lymphatic flow, reduce puffiness, relieve tension and improve absorption of creams, masks and serums. I love this. It feels so nice. Oh my gosh, let me know if any of you have got one of these at home. Oh, that is so nice. No, a little bit different, isn't it? So there's that item. So I love that. It's a jar of the Gorgeous Formula Food Supplement Powerful Beauty Elixir. And this is a 23-ounce powder pot. No, I'm not sure what it is, but that's what the outer packaging looks like. I don't want to sniff it, it's powder. I don't want to sniff it too hard, but... Ooh, I don't want to sniff it too hard. I don't want it going up my nose. But hopefully you'll be able to see there. Can you see? So it's a food supplement. Zojo Elixir's Gorgeous Formula, £19, made up of revitalising organic ingredients, minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. It will help you to look after your skin's natural luminosity, firmness and hydration from the inside. Take 5 grams mixed with a glass of preferred milk, juice, fruit or vegetable smoothie once a day. Not suitable for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Oh wow, okay, so those are those. So that's all those items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up as well and to give you the final cost of the box. So I'll just go through the products one by one, showing you what we received, but the total value comes to around £110. So this box cost £35, free shipping in the UK, but yeah, the total value of £110. So the first item was this face roller, and then we had a coffee scrub and a face serum. Then we had a native popped lotus seeds, a bag of those. And then we had crunchy bites. And then we had a can of Aqua Libra, which I'm drinking and there's not much left. Then we had a beautifying food elixir. And then we had a face scrub, a make it yourself face scrub, or mix it with a liquid face scrub I should say. So looking at the products all down there, I think we've got a really good mix. It is nice to have something a little bit different. I absolutely love the tool, this face tool in here. I think, yeah, it just sets the whole box off really, really lovely. You've got food supplements, you've got skincare, and you've got face masks as well, and a beauty tool, and you've got some sweet treats on the side as well. And yeah, I do think it's a really lovely box. It is really nice. So if you're, as I said at the start, it's not going to be for everybody, but it is a really nice box, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this box. Is this a box that takes your fancy, or is it a box that doesn't? All your opinions and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please leave me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.